Chemical symbol for iron, which is Fe, originates from the Latin translation of iron, which is ferrum. When iron is at room temperature, which is about 20 degrees Celsius, it has luster, which means it is shiny, it is gray in color, it is a solid, like a rock, and it is metal. If the air around it is damp, then the iron will rust. Iron has an astonishing melting point of 1,538 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of 2,861 degrees Celsius. Even though it is currently unknown who discovered iron or when it was first discovered, it is believed that an asteroid containing iron crashed onto Earth. Ancient Egyptians took that iron and decided to make beads with it. Those beads were later examined by scientists and were discovered to date back to about 3200 BC. Pure iron is non-existent in nature except for meteorites. Iron is mainly used to make steel. Steel is used in many different ways. It can be used to make utensils, is used to make large civil architecture, such as bridges, and is used to reinforce concrete. It can also make stadiums, airways, and much more. This is Mars. Did you know that it gets its reddish color from the soil that's on it? The soil is made up of iron oxide. Iron oxide is a chemical compound that is formed when 2 atoms of iron and 3 atoms of oxygen come together. This type of soil, or dust, covers the entire planet, and in some places is as deep as 1 meter. Iron is placed here on the periodic table. Underneath it are ruthenium, osmium, and hassium. All these elements are part of the transition metals. Most of them are reactive with water and acid, and also just plain air. The lower you go in the transition metal group, the higher the melting point and boiling point becomes. At room temperature, all these elements are solid metals. And in case you're wondering, the iron in your blood is not the same as the element.